Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Dear viewers, today in this video you will be able to watch different designs and different colors of high heel sandals with an extra beautiful feet and nail paint colors. Dear viewers, as you all know that high heel sandals are timeless fashion and it will make you more confident and stylish. So a woman who want to make who wants to look confident and powerful, then up she should have a pair of high heel sandals which will increase her aura and its confident look. So dear viewers, I suggest you to watch this video till the end because in this video I assembled different colors and designs of high heel sandals. So by watching this video you can get an idea about the different designs and styles and colors of high heels. So dear viewers, if you wanted to buy these high heel sandals online, then you can buy them from amazon.com, ebay.com and aliexpress.com. Dear viewers, I always try my best to bring you useful content and useful ideas. So don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section that how was the video and how was the designs, and also suggest me in the comment section that which kind of content you want to watch at my YouTube channel. So goodbye friends, till the next video. See you soon with another beautiful video about high heel sandals for the ladies.